I'm going to rehandle the sledgehammer. So you got to take the head off first. Then you got to get yourself a handle. That's how it's done. Okay. See that old handle? Taped up. Pretty rough. Here's the head. Pretty rusty. See the stamp on it? It's 10 pound. 10 pound head. So we're going to get a handle. A new handle on that sucker. And rehang it. There you are. Right there. Here's the old handle off the 8 pound maul. Here's the ball head. This was covered with rust. And I took some sandpaper and wire brush on the drill to take it off. So got a couple more items to rehang, along with 3.5 pound Craftsman axe. 3.5 pound. Picked that up at the flea market in Kidron last weekend. That's my coffee roasting drum, if you're curious what that noise is. Hatchet. Boy's axe head. That is a power craft. Power craft. This is a Wetterlings, Swedish, drop forged hatchet. So going to be busy, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 3 axe heads. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a maul. Rehang a maul and rehang a sledge. So I got my work cut out for me. So that's what we got going on over the probably over the weekend. Getting some handles on these and get them back in commission. So if you have any questions on how to do that, let me know. There's probably a lot of videos out there maybe about doing this stuff, but I don't know any off the top of my head, so maybe I can help if you need to know how to do it. So I'll take some video. But hey, thanks for stopping in real quick. Just out here listening to the radio, get some stuff done, mow the grass, the usual stuff. So it's garage time right now. It's evening. And just gonna hang out. Meatloaf was for dinner, so that was good. Oh yeah. Alright, hey. Would love to see you hit like and subscribe. Thank you. You're over here. See ya. Jeff out.